Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, I want to take this opportunity to welcome all the members in my channel. You guys, thank you so much for joining my membership, and I really do appreciate you guys, and I thank God for you guys. So guys, in today's video I'm going to spend the day with you. We're going to do some cleaning, some laundry together, and then at the end of the day we are going to see what next. So guys, here I am hooving the carpet, and as you can see, that's what I'm doing at the moment. So guys, stay tuned and let's do this.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision, I fall into a trap that I.
So guys, I'm done hooving the carpet, and I'm going to open this thing so that we can see how much dirty this carpet was. You guys, that's how dirty it was. After that guys, I'm going ahead and start doing the laundry. I'm going to clean these clothes, you guys. So guys, these are colored clothes, so I haven't sorted them out, so because I'm going to wash them in cold water, you guys, that's why I haven't sorted them. So when it comes that we have white, we do white separate and then colored separate, you guys, so don't come for me. And yeah, so guys, stay tuned and let's continue working.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So guys, I'm going ahead to add the washing machine soap, and then I'm also going to add some softener. And yeah, comment down below, let me know what soap do you use on your washing machine, what's your favorite softener. Let me know in the comment section. Let's have that conversation.
You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Since these are colored clothes, I'm going to do a speed wash, you guys. That's the one which is going for 48 minutes. So it's going to wash, rinse and spin, you guys. And the good thing about this washing machine, it can dry your clothes. So when the day is gloomy, you can go ahead, wash your clothes, rinse them, spin them and dry them at a go. So all you need to do is just ironing. The washing is complete, you guys, so I'm going ahead and remove all the clothes from the washing machine. And you guys, this machine is a 10 kg machine, so it normally carries a lot of clothes, you guys. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to hang them out. So guys, let's continue.
Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So you guys, I'm done cooking, and I went ahead and cleaned the cooker. So guys, I lost that clip, so I went ahead and I was cleaning this cooker using Ace kitchen cleaner. You guys, it really makes your services, your kitchen services, your cookers, your ovens, and everything clean, sparkling clean. You guys, this one is a plus, you guys. Okay.